friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a very easy and delicious Mexican albondigas in caldo. Yes, you're going to love it. It's ground beef meatballs in this delicious vegetable soup. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing meatballs in a vegetable soup. These are my ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, garlic powder, black pepper, potatoes, 1 jalapeño, 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, half an onion, 2 eggs, 1 tomato, onion with cilantro, and of course, lean ground beef. This is everything you need to enjoy a very traditional albondigas a la mexicana. So let's get started. To make these amazing albondigas, as I call them, very few ingredients. Of course, you could use as much or as little veggies as you want. Do not omit the jalapeño. If you love spicy food, leave the jalapeño whole. Do not slice into it. And then just drop it into the soup when it's almost done. And the jalapeno is going to get nice and spicy. But your soup is not going to be spicy at all. Here I have the potato. I sliced it. I cubed it. I have my zucchini. I have half an onion that I'm going to just chop in little squares. I have my carrot that I'm just slicing away. Like I said, you decide how much vegetables you want to add. I'm only using 1 pound of ground beef. So here I'm just adding 1 tomato, chopping away, and then I have all my veggies ready to go. Of course, the ground beef. This is extra lean ground beef. I'm adding 1 cup of cilantro, an onion, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of rice, jasmine rice, and of course, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and now I am ready to incorporate. This part is very important. You really want to incorporate the egg and cover everything. Everything should be well incorporated. And now you're going to start making your little balls of albondigas. Look at this. I'm going to just start making the little balls. You decide how big or how small. When the water is boiling on a large pot, I'm going to add all the veggies except the zucchini. The zucchini cooks very easily in 1 or 2 minutes, so I don't want to overcook it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to incorporate and I'm going to leave it until it starts simmering one more time. Every time you add something to the pot reduces the heat and it stops boiling or simmering. So here, the water was boiling. I added all the veggies. It brought down the temperature. And now I'm just going to wait until it starts boiling one more time. Once it starts boiling and bubbling just like this, I am ready to start adding the balls of the ground beef. One by one, making sure that you don't overcrowd your pot. I'm going to add it. The temperature is going to come down. It's not boiling anymore. And I'm going to leave it here as is. How do you know when the meatballs are cooked all the way through? I'm going to show you. When you start cooking it, you're cooking it in high heat. I'm adding my jalapeño. As you could see, you cannot see the meatballs. They're way on the bottom. Let it boil for at least 10 minutes. And then you're going to notice that the meatballs are going to start slowly coming up to the top. They're going to start floating up. That's when you know that the meatballs are completely cooked. Do not mix at all. Just let them cook for 10 minutes. When it's time, when the 10 minutes are over and it's boiling, pull one out and you could see the little granules of rice fully cooked. Look at this. They're nice and fluffy. I didn't mix at all. And now this is the time when I'm going to add the zucchinis. They're only gonna cook for about 3 minutes and then I'm turning off my stove. Let me tell you, this part is very important. Don't overcook your zucchini. It's gonna get mushy and it's not gonna taste good. So I like it al dente. So here it's starting to boil one more time. Turn it off. Do not cover it. If you cover it, your meatballs are going to pull apart and there's going to be no meatballs at all. It's going to be a rice soup. And now I am ready to plate. Of course, this is going to be my plate. I'm adding 2 and a lot of veggies and a lot of soup. Look at this. If you liked and loved this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. I can't wait to enjoy it. You enjoy it just like this, or you could enjoy it with tortillas. I'll see you in a bit. Beautiful family, come with me to make this amazing albondigas at home. Meatballs in vegetables soup. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So delicious. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing meatballs in vegetable soup. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing meatballs. As I call it, albondigas. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.